to learn, to grow, and to pass it on to others is the greatest responsibility of an individual. They say knowledge and sharing doesn't diminish itself, rather, it enhances itself, and it is what binds us in this education centric world. We, at the Alumni Association of VS College of Pharmacy, practice the very essence of it. We give back to the society by educating our younger generation on topics learned only through experience, exposure, and hardships, so that they be well prepared for what lies ahead. Our mission at the Alumni Association is to cultivate strong bonds among the Westcott family, which lasts longer than the time spent here. The committee is led by Dr. Supriya Shidare, who is the chairperson and the backbone of our organization. Other core members of the committee are Dr. Anita Aire as advisor, Mr. Chetan Mahajan as president, Mr. Nilesh Bade, who is the vice president, Mr. Ram Prakash Sharma as the secretary, Mr. Chaitanya Pawar as treasurer, Ms. Shivali Tank, who is the event in charge, Ms. Chaitali Surve as data maintenance and communication in charge, Ms. Yashika Shah as social media in charge, Ms. Mohini Gupta as Industria Academia in charge, Ms. Nikita Gaikwad, who is our overseas alumni in charge, and Mr. Akash Sohni as an overseas member of the panel. We believe that under no circumstances can education and learning be hampered. So, amid the COVID-19 crisis, we utilize the time at hand for several activities. Despite the distance, we ensured proper learning of soft skills and professional growth using online platforms for interaction. We conducted various activities like e-interviews for college students which simulate live interview situations and train them for the corporate world. We aim to boost their confidence and make the students aware about the interview process. Through such interviews, we guide the students on their areas of improvement and enlighten them about the do's and don'ts in an interview. We also conducted Brand Yourself as an activity, which was to create awareness about personal branding and counsel them for the same. Alumnus of the Month activity involves indirect interaction between the students and the alumni of the college through their interviews. The alumni share their journey and give advice and also provide insight about their respective fields. We, the Alumni Committee, believe in being the channel of interaction between the today and tomorrow of Westcott. Our alumni play a crucial role in providing opportunities and help us develop a greater understanding of the fields through various workshops, which become the key asset for the future. Now, let's hear from our alumni about their journeys at Westcott.
Hi, I'm Priyanka Baburaj and I graduated in the year 2019-2020 from Westcott. The 4 years of my B.Pharm have been a surreal experience. This institution has played a fundamental role in teaching me something that I would like to quote from the Zen tradition. Those who keep their minds open to new concepts, those whose cups are always empty, will always move to higher levels of achievement and fulfillment. I have learned to question the how and the why to everything that was taught to me. It has made me a more confident individual. It has been responsible in not only helping me recognize my interests, but also facilitated in honing my core competencies. The faculty, the teaching and non-teaching staff have been ready to offer us whatever we have wanted at our beck and call, and I cannot thank them enough for the same. The opportunity to intern at P&G Labs, the research project that's part of the curriculum, have truly broadened my horizon to research and has made me realize that the sky is the limit. Westcott has been responsible in fueling my ambition and recognizing my potential. It has provided direction to my dreams, and I shall remain indebted to this institution for the same.
Hi, I am Meher Baburaj. My daughter Priyanka was a student of Westcott. Our association with Westcott was extremely fulfilling. The efforts invested by Mrs. Shidde, Mr. Bulani, the faculty members and administrative staff to create a name and reputation for the college is truly commendable. We foresee this institution being among the top names in the furtherance of pharmaceutical education in the country in the near future. The faculty members are highly professional and always approachable. The personal attention and the guidance that our daughter got from time to time has gone a long way in molding her to face life, both personally and professionally, in the years to come. Last but not the least, we applaud the quick adaptability by the institution to the technology and efforts invested during this pandemic to conduct online exams and handhold the students through this process within a short span of time. We are truly fortunate to have been associated with an institution that we believe stands for values, integrity, and ethics, and we are truly proud.
Hi everyone, I became part of Westcop family in the year 2012. Choosing Westcop for my education journey was one of the best decisions that I've ever made. My journey was the most memorable journey that I'm going to cherish for in my entire life. Professors, what do I speak about them? They are highly knowledgeable and they are very supportive. My academic graph just kept on rising, and that was only possible because of the support that I received from Principal Ma'am, professors, and all the staff members at Westcop. This institute is highly equipped with all the research facilities and instruments that actually speaks about the culture of VES. Westcop has played a major role in shaping my career, my personality, and making me a multitasker. I owe a large part of my success to all the faculty members and staff members of the Westcop family. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Pankti Ganatra. I'm currently pursuing PhD from Institute of Chemical Technology. My journey in Westcop started in the year 2015, where I secured admission for MPharm in pharmaceutics. Later, on the basis of merit, I worked under the guidance of Dr. Supriya Shidaye as my research supervisor. For the first year, our syllabus was completely theoretical and we were supposed to attend lectures for that entire year. The most interesting part was that all the teachers put an extra effort to present us with case studies and advances that were happening in that particular area. That generated curiosity in me. Not just that, we were supposed to make a report and a presentation on a particular topic, from which my topic was lipid-based excipients for drug delivery system. It was for the first time where I learned how to read research papers, compile information, and present it in a scientific way. I wasn't so confident about presentation because I was not good at public speaking, but Dr. Supriya Shidaye, being an excellent mentor, went an extra mile and scheduled a couple of mock sessions for me, which helped me immensely. I did well and it was a great experience. All my classmates also presented with advanced topic in their specialization area, and this exchange of information increased my pool of knowledge. Westcop always provided an environment where I was motivated to read more, explore more, and express new ideas. That's how I started designing my research project for the second year. Westcop also provided me with an opportunity to work as an intern in Merck Consumer Health. I did my research work in collaboration with Merck, where I got to learn a lot of new things, and I presented on a couple of topics very confidently. It was a great learning experience. When I left Westcop, not just my knowledge base but my confidence and research aptitude was drastically increased. Westcop inculcated patience and perseverance in me, which I feel are of utmost importance in the field of research. It also provided with advanced research facility where I could get hands-on experience on many of the sophisticated instruments. I met amazing seniors and juniors and made great friends with whom we used to have a lot of intense discussion based on our research problem and sometimes found a really interesting solution. I will always be very grateful to all the teaching and non-teaching members of Westcop for being an essential part of my transition from being a naive student to now a budding scientist. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Pooja Dubey, working as Business Development Leader for Pan India with Western Commercial Corporation in the field of specialty ingredients from Japan. I completed my MPharm in Pharmaceutical Chemistry in the year 2017 from Westcop. It gives me immense satisfaction and a feeling of pride when I go back to the day of making this decision to get myself enrolled in Westcop for this course. The environment here is very healthy. The staff is very encouraging and have always been supportive. I have learnt and improvised so many skills upon joining this college that are not only related to academics but also the co-curriculars like personality development, effective public speaking, etc. The ever encouraging environment over here and the timely recognitions have really helped me to develop an attitude of being proactive and giving my best in all the allotted tasks. And this is being very helpful to me in my ongoing corporate life as well. The day I was recognized as Best Westcopian in 2017 was the happiest day of my Westcop journey. Principal ma'am, staff, and everyone, including the non-teaching staff, have been very enthusiastic and motivating that helped me to push my abilities to shape my career better than the expectations. The 2 years of my M.Pharm in Westcop were so far the best years of my life. I have been highly recommending my juniors to join Westcop to shape up their career and see their dreams come to reality. Thank you.